How's everybody going? This is Jeremy with Nisswa Marine. We have some exciting news for you this week where we have our open house boat show going on here this weekend here at Nisswa Marine. January 19th to the 22nd, we'll be here all weekend for you. Hours are listed below on the link. We have some really cool stuff going on here. This is like a boat show at all times here at Nisswa Marine where we have over 100 boats on display indoors in our heated 2 indoor showrooms. And if it's building the boat of your dreams, we still have production slots available. As you can see over here to my right, this is just an example of some mastercrafts that we can still customize and build for you. We have all the color samples here that you can build the boat of your dreams, have a cup of coffee, and get it done right here in front of you. And as you can see, our pontoon builder with Premier is also running live. You can choose the color of your pontoon. Otherwise, we can make you an excellent deal on an in-stock boat as well. So we're going to send it up to Dan up in the expanded showroom where we have more boats on display. Let's see what's going on, Dan.
Thanks, Jeremy. I appreciate that. We are up on the docks in our expanded heated indoor showroom where we have brand new inventory. And the unique thing about this showcase is not only do we have our new stuff, we also have a showroom full of pre-owned inventory. And that's not something you can get over at the other boat shows. And there are some awesome factory rebates going on these boats. Feel free to check these out. They're all listed online. Maybe dial in what you want to look at. Otherwise, we'll see you guys here. It's going to be a good time at the Nisswa Marine Boat Show.